You're under arrest for obstruction.
No, I'm not.
Sam, don't do it.
Now we're going to be resisting too.
I didn't do anything.
Don't add resisting.
God damn, I didn't do anything.
Don't add resisting, Sam. Don't add resisting.
Do
Stand
anything.
Up. Stand up.
I didn't do anything. I was just telling you.
You're hooked on my hair. Hold on. Your hair's hooked on my...
I didn't do anything. Boys, tell him I didn't do anything.
Quit pulling. We'll get you got your.
I didn't do anything. I wasn't obstructing. I was sitting in the
Stand
No,
chair.
you tried to
You
run inside.
obstructed
That's not
earlier.
good. Sam, stop.
You obstructed
Just stop.
earlier.
Just get your citation.
And
Go to
now
court.
you're resisting.
Can I get a citation and go back inside?
Yeah.
You're getting
Huh?
resisting also. Obstruction
well-
and resisting.
Quit resisting and see what we can get done.
On July 20th, 2024, at a small house in the United States. Police arrived after a frantic 911 call from a 12-year-old boy reporting his stepfather was drunk and violent. The atmosphere in the front yard was tense like a drawn bowstring. As officers moved to detain the man, suddenly the woman Sam panicked and tried to rush back inside the house. Officers immediately reacted, restrained her, and announced her arrest for obstruction. Sam struggled, shouting, "I didn't do anything." But her resistance only escalated the tension, leading to a resisting arrest charge, all captured on Bodycam. But this was only the beginning. What followed were conflicting testimonies, family secrets, and a final verdict no one expected.
I'm not asking him to come in. We gotta call.
Bye.
No, that's not how this is gonna work.
Oh, you want to see how it works?
Yeah, go ahead. We got a call about domestic. About a 12.
There ain't no domestic here.
Well, the thing is we have to check it out.
I don't care.
Okay. Well, I'll talk to Patrick then.
Go inside. They got a call about a domestic. You can stand out there all you want.
Well, I'm waiting for my partner, and then we're coming inside.
No answer.
Oh no, she already came out and screamed at me and said we better get a warrant. And I was just waiting for somebody because she's gonna be Sam's drunk, Patrick's drunk, and we're not coming in the house. So I was waiting for her.
911, female's refusing to answer the door. Do you still have a 12-year-old on the phone?
She's locked us out, and I'm not gonna pick the fight with her. So
Does the 12-year-old feel safe enough to come out to us? Otherwise, we're going to have to force entry.
After receiving an emergency call from a 12-year-old boy reporting his stepfather was drunk and violent, police quickly arrived at the scene. They knocked on the door, demanding to check on the child's safety. However, the woman inside firmly refused, repeatedly shouting for a warrant and blocking the entrance. With the standoff escalating, the officers were forced to contact 911 dispatch for guidance and to prepare for forced entry, determined to ensure the child's safety inside.
Open the door, we'll break it down.
You got a warrant?
We have to check the well-being of a 12-year-old.
Bust my door down, and I'm gonna do your ass. Now go on.
The 12-year-old needs to come talk to me or we will break it down.
Bye. You ain't got a warrant.
So they're not gonna let him come down. They can hear her screaming on the phone.
911 advised me if I need to force entry, the 12-year-old has me.
Oh, we got him. He's out the back.
Oh yeah. So Patrick is stupid and drunk every night, and he tries to pick.
somebody at the front door here.
He tries to pick fight. That's him. He tries to pick.
Get your ass in the fucking house.
Nope. Get away.
You can shut the fuck up. This is my house, bitch.
Hey.
Shut up, Baldy.
No. Hey. I don't have.
These two started it with my husband.
Okay, that's fine.
Both of them.
I'll talk to you too.
So what's going on?
So he gets drunk and
Here,
stupid.
walk a little further with me.
He gets drunk and stupid, and he
Okay.
tries to argue with everyone. And he was arguing with my mom. I don't know why, but she went with.
Your mom is Carly, right?
So she went somewhere. She went somewhere to do laundry, I think, and so he gets real stupid at night. And
Hold on just a second, okay?
Stop. Stop. I want to tell you what happened.
Stop, pull away from me.
They
You have the chance.
attacked him first.
You're going in
Samantha.
handcuffs right now.
Samantha.
You understand that?
Knock it
They're
off.
going.
Roll
Samantha.
over.
They
Samantha.
stopped her. Started
Samantha.
it.
Calm down. Take a breath.
Roll over.
Calm down. We
Roll
can talk.
over.
Shut up.
You gonna be calm? You gonna be calm?
Yeah.
What?
All right. Stay calm. We'll be calm as long as you are.
Mike,
Stay seated. Just stay seated. Stay there.
they started it with him.
I'm not doubting that.
Can I stand up?
I'd rather you stay seated. Come sit in your chair, okay?
Okay.
While the husband was speaking with police, the wife suddenly rushed out, loudly demanding that he go back inside. She shouted aggressively, escalating the tension. Officers immediately restrained her and warned she would be handcuffed if she continued to resist. Only then did the woman calm down.
Sit in your chair.
Continue what you were.
Okay, so my mom was walking out the door with laundry and my baby brother.
Okay.
And then once she got outside, me and Caden, my uncle, were trying to like hold him back from the door. So he went like, because he gets real close to the personal. So
Patrick
after
does? Patrick? Okay.
So we got him away and we wait by his bedroom door so he doesn't do anything stupid because he'll just randomly start yelling at people. And then he got too close to me and started pushing me against the wall. So I got mad and I tackled him onto the couch. And he wouldn't let me get up, so he grabbed my hair and tried to pull me. So I started punching him a lot, and he got like right there, and then he let go. So I backed away. And then he did it again. So I had a cup of tea in my hand. I slammed him to his head, and he brought me down to the couch again. And I put my hand on his neck to push up to get away, and I did. And then the second time, my grandma was in the bathroom the entire time, and she thought that I attacked him first when it didn't.
Okay.
Caden saw everything, and then the third time he attacked me, we both gone to the floor, and everyone saw it, but she also thinks I attacked him first, and then I started punching at him again until he let go, and then I called.
When questioned, the husband, Patrick, admitted that he had argued earlier with his wife's children. He claimed he was only trying to keep order in the house, but the situation quickly escalated into shoving and shouting. Patrick stated that the children rushed at him, forcing him to fight back. However, he also admitted that he had been drinking and might have lost his temper.
We gotta get this resolved, and you guys are going about it all wrong, okay?
I was in the bathroom. All I heard was the boys attacking him. And I came out, I pulled both the boys off of him. That's all I know.
Teenage boys?
Him and Kagan.
So you don't know what started it?
I really don't.
You came out, and they were
I was in the bathroom.
all three of them were in a
I
fight?
was in the bathroom going pee.
That's Patrick and the two boys?
That's all I know. I heard it in the living room, and I came out of the bathroom, and both boys were on top of him.
So you don't know what started it though?
I really
Has
don't.
there been anything going on prior to you going to the bathroom? Any argument, anything
No.
like that? Any
Me and
disagreement?
Patrick were sitting on the couch
Okay.
watching TV.
Uh,
I don't know.
When officers asked her to clarify what had happened, the woman repeatedly explained that she had not witnessed the entire incident. She said that at the time of the altercation, she was in the bathroom. It was only when she heard the commotion from the living room that she came out and saw her two sons on top of Patrick. According to her, all she did was rush in to pull the boys away, and the situation quickly came to an end. She insisted that she didn't know who started it, and only saw the chaos once it was already underway.
I have nothing to say because the whole thing.
Nope, that's
That's my mom and that's my stepfather.
stepdad. Okay. All right. What happened tonight, Caden?
Okay, so first, he was arguing with Carly.
Who's he? Pat?
Patrick.
Okay.
Patrick was arguing with my sister Carly, and I tried to calm him down so they don't get into a fight. And he told me to go to bed like he always does every night. And so he starts to push me in the bedroom, and I start to push him back. Skip forward a few hours, and then my mom goes into the bathroom, and then he puts his hands on Kagan, and then I try to get him off of Kagan, and then Kagan starts to push him back, to get him off of him.
And do you know what that argument started about with?
With him and Patrick?
Yeah.
He just touched Kagan, that's all. Like, touched his shirt, like, grabbed it.
He grabbed Kagan's shirt. Were they arguing? And then he grabbed the shirt, or what? Why did he grab the shirt?
Because they were in an argument.
Okay. When he pushed you, what happened?
I pushed him back.
Okay. Can you flip your hair up? Look like you got your eyes, or this eye looks a little black or something. Is that old or new, or did you get struck at any point? Or?
I don't know.
Okay.
After being separated for questioning, police spoke with the boy. He calmly recounted that Patrick had been drinking and started causing trouble. Patrick raised his voice in an argument, then suddenly grabbed his shirt and shoved him against the wall. When he tried to resist, Patrick dragged him down onto the couch, even pulling his hair and holding him so he couldn't get away. The boy admitted he had to fight back, even using the cup of tea he was holding to break free. In the end, unable to endure any longer, he decided to call 911 out of fear for his own safety and that of his younger siblings.
You know this ain't the right way to handle things. Why's it got to escalate to this?
Because he's not at fault.
We don't know that or not. He's being
But you guys
he's not under
automatically
arrest.
arrested him.
Because the way you guys didn't answer the door and kept the kid, well,
Oh, I didn't keep him in there.
Him.
I didn't keep them in there. The boys were in the bedroom.
And Sam, we know how you guys get when you guys get drinking. Okay? So it's just for everybody's safety that we just detain them until we figure out what's going on. So what happened to you? You got some bruises on you and some scrapes.
Where?
Well, you got a scrape down here under your arm.
Oh, that's from my dogs.
So you didn't get in the middle of that?
I pulled the boys off of him, but
Okay.
no, those are from my dogs.
Once again, the police returned to speak with the woman. She insisted the officers were mistaken, claiming that Patrick had done nothing wrong and that the situation was being exaggerated. However, the officers emphasised that the children's statements directly contradicted hers and that their first duty was to ensure the children's safety. Therefore, despite her objections, police informed her that both Patrick and herself would be detained until the matter could be fully investigated.
So this all started just because he was drinking and then he was, okay.
He's attacked my mom a few times in the past. So.
Okay.
Do you have another family member you guys can go with tonight?
No. My mom hasn't done anything. It's just him. Every night he gets drunk and then just starts.
Your mom
arguments.
hasn't been drinking today?
Yeah, but she doesn't get drunk though.
Okay.
Not like he does.
Okay.
Because he argues with people over stupid stuff.
Right. Okay, so whenever, was your mom around either of the times that...
No. Well, she was around, she was in the kitchen making supper the first time. And then she came in and split us up. The second time she was in the bathroom. And then she came out and split us up again. So,
But she wasn't around when it started, just for the end of it?
no, not the end of it. Well, yeah.
She was around the end of it, not the start of it, for both times?
Yeah.
Okay.
But she hasn't done anything wrong. It's just Patrick.
Okay. And you feel safe with her taking care of you?
Yeah.
Okay.
To be certain, the officers continued by separately interviewing each of the children. They recounted in detail that Patrick often drank heavily, frequently caused disturbances at night, and at times became violent. One child confirmed having seen Patrick grab a shirt, shove, and pin someone against the wall. The children's statements were consistent with one another, adding crucial details that helped police clearly determine who had initiated the incident. With this, the officers strengthened their grounds to proceed with the next steps, ensuring the safety of the children inside the home.
Patrick started it.
Yeah, that's what
And,
he said.
yeah.
Two different deals, one with him earlier
he
today
said
and one with him just now.
Him first. He witnessed everything that happened with him. Patrick was getting in his face.
He said Patrick like grabbed his shirt or something and then they started shoving him.
he was shoving him up against the wall.
Which kid?
And then he said he pushed him back off of him. Well, then Patrick threw him on the couch, and he said he did punch Patrick a few times trying to get him
said
off
he didn't
of
have
him.
anything to say to me, so
Okay.
makes it easy. We'll charge
yeah,
you.
he said
2 counts of
he was-
domestic. Sam, you can't interfere with me when I'm doing my job. You're lucky you're not going to jail right now. If you'd have taken one more step, you'd be going to jail right now. I have a job to do. We get called from 911 that a 12-year-old is here and has been battered. We have to investigate that.
He didn't do anything though.
We have 2 different incidents where he's the aggressor, and you weren't present for the start of either of those incidents from the witness statements. He's going to be charged with 2 counts of domestic battery.
He didn't do anything.
I have witness
I
statements
pulled the boys off of
after
him.
the fact. You were not present for the start of either of the incidents.
That's what you told me. You were in the bathroom.
You were
I
not
went
present
to the
for.
bathroom
You were not
to
present
go
for the
to the
start of.
bathroom.
I understand that. You weren't present when the incident started. Either of the incidents started from both witness statements and your own statements. So you don't know what started it. You can't say what started it.
I
He
pressed
started it.
charges.
He started it according to both.
No,
Juveniles.
he did not. He was sitting on the couch.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. You weren't present when it started, so you don't know the answer to that question.
I'm not gonna argue with you either.
Perfect.
It's just
Okay. He's going to be charged with 2 counts of domestic battery. Carly's been advised of the situation. They both advised they feel safe staying with you. So we're 10-8. We're leaving. Do you have any questions?
I'm dropping charges, right?
You can't.
The boys will.
The state will pursue domestic
State
battery.
can't.
Yes, they can. The domestic
No,
battery
they can't.
situation.
All right.
Okay.
It's not worth arguing, Sam.
I'm just saying.
All
Last time
You
he got
could go to
arrested
Monday and
for
talk to the
this-
state's attorney and see what they can do for you, okay?
Last time he was arrested.
After gathering all witness statements and accounts from the children in the home, the officers held a quick discussion at the scene. They agreed that Patrick would be charged with 2 counts of domestic battery. As for the woman, due to her repeated interference and resistance, she would face charges of obstruction, and resisting arrest. Once the decision was made, the officers returned to inform her directly, stressing that these measures were necessary to protect the safety of the children.
Okay. And that's something you guys can work out Monday or Tuesday when you go up to the courthouse, okay? All right, take care.
Actually, we're going to arrest her for obstruction. We're arresting her for obstruction.
What?
You're under arrest for obstruction.
No, I'm not.
Sam, don't do it.
Now we're going to be resisting too.
I didn't do anything.
Don't add resisting.
God damn, I didn't do anything.
Don't add resisting, Sam. Don't
I
add
didn't
resisting.
do
Stand
anything.
Up. Stand up.
I didn't do anything. I was just telling
You're
you.
hooked on my hair. Hold on. Your hair's hooked on my...
I didn't do anything. Boys, tell them I didn't do anything.
Clip on. We'll get you got your
I didn't do anything. I wasn't obstructing. I was sitting in the
Stand
You know, you
chair.
tried to
You
run inside.
obstructed
That's not
earlier.
good. Sam, stop.
You obstructed
Just stop.
earlier.
Just get your citation
And
go to
now
court.
you're resisting.
Can I get a citation and go back inside?
Yeah.
You're getting
Huh?
resisting also. Obstruction
Well-
and resisting.
Quit resisting and see what we can get done. You're
I
making this
wasn't
difficult.
doing
You're making this
anything.
more difficult than it needs to be, Sam. Just
I
stop.
was
Just
going
stop.
inside.
Stop.
You're not thinking logically.
Mike, please.
Well,
Oh, Carly.
just stop.
Tell her she gotta come get the child. Who do you want to care for your child?
Would you guys please? I'm not doing
Who do you
anything.
want to care for your child?
Why am I
Contact stick.
obstructing?
You obstructed whenever I was detaining Patrick earlier.
That was earlier. I was
Yep.
telling you what was going on.
No,
the
you
boys.
weren't. I told you to get back and you weren't listening.
I was sitting in
And
the
then you
chair.
and then you resisted when they tried to get you away from me. That's
No.
obstructing.
No.
And you resisted again.
Mike, please.
When she heard the announcement that she was going to be arrested, the woman immediately turned and tried to run back into the house, but the officers gave her no chance. In an instant, they restrained her, brought her down, and handcuffed her right there in the front yard, stopping any further resistance.
There's nothing I can do, Sam. You did this.
I didn't do it. Please, guys. Please, Mike. Please. I was
Listen,
sitting in the chair.
Hey, go get your...
Stand up.
Sam, stop
Stand
this.
up.
I
Stop.
don't want to go to jail.
I'm gonna take you
I'm
up there.
scared.
You'll get a ticket. You'll
I'm
come
scared.
home. All right?
No,
go
you're
up there.
not.
They'll
Mike,
process
you're
you and
lying.
they'll bring you home.
No, he's not. You're not. It's not a detainable offense with the Safety Act. You're going to be transported to jail. You're going to get your citations issued. You'll be processed, and then you'll be released. Obstructing
But they're
and
not gonna
resisting.
process you while you're acting like this. So you're gonna make it take longer. You are. Calm down.
I am. I was sitting in the chair talking to you.
And then you tried to run away when you were told you were under arrest.
Why would I be under arrest? I didn't do
obstructing.
anything.
You can't roll around the front yard with cops when they tell you to do something and fight them.
That was earlier. Mike and him came and talked to me.
Sam, just get in the car, go up there, get a process, and come home.
It's going to be easier.
I didn't do anything.
Stand up and step your feet in first. It's going to be easier for you to get in. You're going to have a hard time getting in if you don't get one foot in first.
Why would you guys do this?
You did it. I instructed you several times to get back when I was detaining Patrick.
I was sitting in the chair.
You came towards me, poked me with your finger, and
I did not.
interfered with my investigation.
I
which
was
is
sitting in the
obstruction.
chair talking to Mike and that guy.
Okay, we're going to get in. Get in.
Can I get out tonight?
You will be out tonight, as long as you cooperate with jail staff. You'll be processed, issued some citations, and then released when the jail has time to process you.
Okay.
In the end, the woman was placed in the back of a police car, facing charges for her actions. Meanwhile, Patrick was taken away separately to await further legal proceedings. The chaos within the household temporarily came to an end under the supervision of law enforcement. In cases of domestic violence, children are often the ones who suffer the most, yet they can also be the brave witnesses who speak out. Ensuring their safety remains the top priority for police, even when adults in the family deny or attempt to conceal the truth. The Bodycam captured the entire moment, showing that with just one 911 call, the justice system will intervene to protect children from danger, sometimes even within their own homes.